Instagram down. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Instagram right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Instagram. Many are complaining with Instagram crashing and glitching or stories not loading. So these are a few errors with Instagram right now, but you don't have to worry about it because you are not the only one who has problems with Instagram right now. You should try to fix it by restarting your phone. You can also log out and then log in again, and you can also try to reinstall the app and clear the cache and the data from your phone's settings. But if it's still not working, you don't have to worry about it because you are not the only one, and they will fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have issues with Instagram, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.